Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have some amazing new gardening hacks that will absolutely blow your mind. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, these tips are going to make your garden flourish like never before. So grab your gloves and let's dive right in. All right, let's kick things off with our first hack, banana peel fertilizer. Did you know that banana peels are packed with nutrients that your plants absolutely love? Here's what you do. Simply chop up a banana peel and bury it in the soil near the roots of your plants. Over time, the peel decomposes and releases potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, giving your plants a nutrient boost. Plus, it's an awesome way to reduce waste. Next up, we have a fantastic watering hack that saves time and water. It's called the bottle drip system. All you need is an empty plastic bottle and a nail. Make a few small holes in the bottle. Fill it with water and bury it near your plants with the holes facing down. The water will slowly drip out, keeping your soil moist for days. This is perfect for those hot summer days, or if you're going on a short trip and can't water your plants. See how simple that is? Your plants will thank you. Now, let's talk about composting. But not just any composting, I'm talking about speedy composting. If you're like me, you want that rich, black gold as soon as possible. Here's a quick trick. Add some shredded newspaper, coffee grounds, and a little bit of garden soil to your compost bin. The newspaper provides carbon, the coffee grounds add nitrogen, and the soil introduces beneficial microbes that speed up the decomposition process. Turn your compost every few days, and you'll have usable compost in no time. Easy peasy, right? Okay. For all you seed starters out there, this hack is a game changer. DIY seed tape. Get some toilet paper, a bit of flour paste, and your seeds. Lay out the toilet paper, place dabs of flour paste at regular intervals, and stick your seeds onto the paste. Once it's dry, you can roll up your seed tape and store it until you're ready to plant. When it's planting time, simply unroll and lay it in your garden bed. The toilet paper will dissolve, and your seeds will be perfectly spaced. No more overcrowded seedlings or tedious planting sessions. Last but not least, let's talk about natural pest control. If aphids are bugging your plants, try planting some nasturtiums nearby. These beautiful flowers attract aphids, drawing them away from your other plants. It's a natural and chemical-free way to keep your garden healthy. Plus, nasturtiums are edible and make a tasty addition to your salads. Look at those vibrant colors, and the aphids love them more than your veggies. There you have it, some mind-blowing gardening hacks that are super easy to try. I hope you found these tips helpful and that your garden thrives like never before. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share it with your friends. Happy gardening, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, a little gardening every day keeps the stress away. Bye for now.